Why exactly does extremely loud sounds damage the ear and cause possible hearing loss? This is a fact. Basically, there's a structure behind the eardrum called the cochlea. Inside the cochlea, we have tiny little hairs that vibrate the sound and turn into electrical signals so your brain can understand. But when it's too loud, it actually damages those hairs. Believe it or not, those hairs can actually die and they can't be replaced. When you're in these loud areas, make sure you're using things to protect your ears, especially at sporting events, concerts, anywhere where they're using power tools.